last thing I want to do is pay somebody an arm and a leg, a concrete guy, a tile guy, somebody to do this work for me. You've seen it before. You saw how I did it before. If I can do it, of course you can do it too. I don't show you anything on my videos I think you can't do. You know? They would have the same kind of trial and error as I on this. I believe these are exterior stairs, and they go from end to end, butting up against the stucco. And the stairs, whoever installed them, they're kind of going down at an angle that way, and they should be going at an angle from there down. You know, in each one of those, boom, 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 when it rains and stuff. So I had to float. I had to float each one up. You can see how much stuff I put on. See? And look at this one down here. This one's even thicker. This one's even thicker yet. Look at that. My word, it's over a half an inch, almost a half an inch thick. All the way around there. I had to build it up and then taper it down to nothing so that each one of these floated downhill. See? Okay. I've got that caulking done, and I'll probably end up putting a little caulking next to each one of these. See? Along there and maybe along that edge. And I'll do that before I run the concrete material down, but I'm going to take some sealer, and I thought I would do that today, but I think I'm going to let this caulking cure overnight. I got plenty of time before it gets too cold out here. I got another 6 weeks, 4 or 5 weeks probably at least, and that'll give me plenty of time to get these stairs down one step at a time. I'm gonna get it. Okay, stick around. I'll show you that concrete material I'm gonna use to do these patches. Kaboom. This is what I'm gonna use this time. This is called Cement All, and it's called Rapid Set. Look at this, sets in 1 hour, fast, strong, durable. 55-pound bag, just add water. This is a hydraulic cement product. And here they've got some guys here. Concrete repair, underlayment, anchoring, industrial grouting, casting, a multi-purpose repair material, and non-shrinking grout. High strength, very fast setting, durable, non-shrink, hardens underwater even. Interior and exterior. Why on earth did I not try that stuff to begin with? You saw the other stuff I used. I used a material, what was it? A thin set material, a non-shrinking and elastic thin set material. Cost me like 30 bucks a bag instead of $5 or $6 a bag, and I thought that was going to work okay, and in some areas it stuck really nicely on the sides. On the sides it worked, but on the insides, you know, right in here, that worked fine. But on the outside of this, it just flaked off. This other stuff flaked all over. Thin set. Is thin set the right material to use to try to float out wood steps? No. I'm gonna try this Cement All this time. Rapid set. So I'm gonna have to get another bag of that. And that's okay. I'll get that tomorrow or something. The first thing I wanted to do was go ahead and caulk this. And then I'm gonna put 2 coats of sealer. Now, I could put the coats of sealer on today, but I'm not going to. I want to let this stuff dry and cure overnight, and then I'll put 2 coats of sealer on there, and that'll kind of coat the wood so that when I put the that cement all on there, it's not going to soak right into the wood and lose its bond. And maybe that's what was happening before. I have no idea. You know, like I say, it's a work in progress. If I asked 25 different tile guys, 25 different concrete guys what to use on here, they're going to give me 25 different answers, and some of the answers are going to be, guess what? I'm not sure what you should use out there. You're on exterior conditions, you're up in the mountains, you're up where it's going to freeze, and you get snow 7-8 times a year in the winter, and you want to seal over it, or you want to paint over it, and you want it to look like concrete. What to do? So I think, for the sake of argument, I am going to use this cement all. And people laughed at me about grouting everything, all these stones, with that cement all, and they thought that's never going to work, that's going to crack out, that's going to expand. When the snow gets here, when the water gets here, the water's going to get down between the hairline cracks, then it's going to expand, and it's going to freeze, and it's going to crack out much more. And you can see in the areas where it already cracked out, you know, on the joints. And I went ahead and put some caulking in there, and I went one full year with that, and probably before winter here,